So our staff has been busy in all of the classrooms, which are somewhere in the neighborhood of 500 across campus, to make sure that we have classes that are socially distanced. So they've been doing a lot with signage, placing dots on the floors where chairs need to be. They've also been working on new cleaning procedures. So IUPUI has been focused on making sure that the classrooms, the public spaces, and everywhere that our students come into on this campus are safe. The focus is to make sure this is as absolutely safe as possible for students coming into campus.
All of our custodians will be cleaning full cleans in classrooms, conference rooms, restrooms, and dining halls throughout the evening. During the daytime, our custodians are available throughout the day to do all high-touch disinfecting. Every custodian has a part of disinfecting on their schedule every day. Our folks are scheduled to 3 times a day to go around and hit high-touch areas. Those areas would be entryways. You're looking at door handles. You're also looking at elevator buttons, stairwell railings, and also restrooms. We're looking at disinfecting restroom handles, doors, and fixtures several times throughout the day. When they come into a classroom, there is going to be a paper towel roll provided along with a disinfectant spray. Each student is able to come in, spray a paper towel, wipe their current area that they're sitting in, and each faculty member can do that as well.
As a student come on campus this year, obviously everything's going to feel different. But hopefully you will see a lot of the work that's been poured in by our staff this year. And if you have a chance and you see a groundskeeper outside, a maintenance worker changing lights, or a custodian walking around disinfecting high-touch areas, if you could give them a thanks. They've really poured a lot of work into getting this campus ready, and I know it would mean a lot to our staff if they saw that.